And this is how you can use the elephant garlic scapes. That way you can get bigger bulbs. You can fry them as greens. I'm gonna fry them right now with cactus. You just these are edible cactus, so we just cut them and then fry them. I'm gonna show you how in a minute. So just cut them like this. You can also do it with leeks or onions, but I like it with elephant garlic scapes. And this way you don't waste your elephant garlic scapes, and also have better bulbs in the process. The seeds, usually you can produce seeds, elephant garlic seeds here, but they do take like 3 years to grow to the regular size, so it's better to use the garlic cloves as seeds. Now we're gonna put them on the pan, in the pan with the cooking oil. And we're gonna stir so they don't get burned. Stir it. Keep the heat low. Now we're gonna add the peppers. I use chili de árbol. It's like cayenne type or something like that. It's close, but you can just find it at any grocery store. It's called chile de árbol. They're spicy and hot, so I like the flavor that they give to this dish. Now we're gonna add the cactus. This has lots of fiber, so very good for people that want to lose weight and have better digestion. They're delicious. This recipe I learned at home, and we've been cooking like these for a long time, and I love it. We're gonna add a little salt. And then we're gonna cover it so the steam cooks it better. So we're gonna cover it. Now we're gonna check. We're pretty much almost done. The light green still needs a little cooking, so I'm thinking about 5 more minutes. We're gonna cover again, and at the end we're gonna take the lid off so this dries up. But right now we'll still cover it so it cooks uniformly. We're gonna check if they are fully cooked, and you can see they're all the same color, so that means they're fully cooked. We're gonna leave with the cover off. That way they dry up a little bit, because as you can see there's a lot of juice there, and I like them a little drier, so I'm gonna leave it off, and I'm gonna keep stirring. That way they don't get stuck to the pan. And now you can see they're fully cooked and they're dry, so they're ready. We're gonna taste them now. Now we're gonna try a recipe with elephant garlic scapes and cacti and chili de árbol. Let's see how good. I accompany them with refried beans and some avocado and radish. Very healthy recipe. The cactus helps with keep the low blood pressure and the weight off. It helps you lose weight. So I recommend you this recipe. Please leave me any comments in case you did it and how it went. And also subscribe to my channel, as I'll be updating other recipes. I recommend that you grow your own elephant garlic, because this garlic scapes are delicious. Thank you.